We're talking today with Daryl Martin, who is here to talk about binary options on Nadex. So, first of all, Daryl, what is a binary option?
Okay, binary option, you think about binary 0 and 1. Okay, it's a true-false statement. And so on a binary option, you're saying gold is going to be, greater than 1650 at the close of market today. Or it's going to be less than or equal to 1650. Okay, that would be a binary option. And so you go in and you can put the trade on. And one big thing is not all binary options are created equally. Okay, if I go out and a lot of over-the-counter foreign binary option companies, and you go look at them, they're going to pay you maybe like $80 if you put up $100 risk and you're right. Okay, well that's obviously, they're making $20 if you win and they're making $100 if you lose. Okay, well on the binary options on Nadex, you can go in and you could put in 50 to make 50, but you could also put in 5 to make 95. So you put in 5 and you make 95, that's a 1900% return on one trade. And they have trades literally that start every 2 hours on the binary options. They have trades that go 22 hours. They have trades that literally are weekly. So you can put a trade in on Monday morning at 3 or 4 a.m. and you can hold it all the way till Friday.
What's the typical size of a binary option?
The binary option is literally, it's up to you. You can go in and you can do one. So if you have $100 in your account, you got 20 trades if you're doing $5 binaries that you could actually place. So you can literally with $1, there are trades on there, $1, $2, you can actually place trades. So you can go in and you can buy 100 of them, 1,000 of them. You think, what if you go in and buy 100 binary options at $1, okay, and it actually is a profitable trade? That's 99 times 100. $9,900 profit you just made.
This sounds like it's a perfect opportunity for somebody who has a smaller account that maybe can't trade regular futures contracts and wants to try this anyway.
Yeah, if you're brand new, it's a really fun way to trade. And it's really fun. Even if you're an experienced trader, there's ways to use it in advanced methods. But you can know nothing about the market except for I think it's going to go up or going to go down, and you can use binaries to trade it.
So how do these differ from other binary option contracts offered out there?
Okay, the big difference, the number one difference is you're trading binaries with Nadex on an exchange. If you trade them overseas, one, if something happens to that company, what does that mean? I don't know. How big is it a stable? Is it a reputable company? Yes or no? Okay. And two is they're not the market maker. Nadex is the exchange. And so Nadex itself is making you anonymous to the market maker. So you don't know, or they don't know actually, if you're winning or losing, if you're getting in or getting out. Whereas if you're trading with an over-the-counter, some broker out there that's in the Virgin Islands or something like that, okay? And you're putting a trade on, a lot of times they're trading against you. So they have a vested interest to tilt it in their favor. The biggest difference after the trading on the exchange is the payouts. I've looked at a lot of different companies out there and they're like 80 to 1 or 90 to 1 or 70 to 1. Well, you can hit 1900 to 1. You can literally get just insane returns on the binaries. So actually there's more profit potential, there's more opportunity with that profit. And you get to be anonymous versus having somebody trading against you and knowing who you are.
All right, so finally, where do I go to find out more information about this?
Okay, to find out more about binary options, what you want to do is go to nadex.com. They have some basic information on the site. What I highly recommend is sign up for an account, just top right corner. It only costs $100 to open an account. Okay, it doesn't even cost you $100. It's a $100 deposit to open an account. So you can have very little money and get traded right away. It takes literally 2-3 minutes to open an account. Nadex.com.
Daryl, thanks for your time.
You bet. Thank you.
We've been talking about Nadex.com with Daryl Martin.